So today's video is going to be a very special one. It's not the type I would normally make on this channel, but as I'm sure you're well aware, over the weekend we lost a truly great man, an icon, one of the greatest action heroes of all time, a legitimate, truly certified badass. We're talking about Chuck Norris, all right? Now, even if you're not like me, even if you didn't grow up watching his movies, his TV shows like I did, I'm pretty sure you have heard at least one of the Chuck Norris memes out there. There's thousands of them, okay? He is really the greatest meme of all time. All the jokes about, Chuck Norris doesn't flush the toilet. He scares the shit out of it. Chuck Norris threw a grenade at 50 people. They all died. And then the grenade exploded. Like all these crazy stories. Like over the years, Chuck Norris, the meme, has become the symbol of impossibilities. Just when you think it is impossible, it cannot be done, Chuck Norris actually did it. So yeah, he died at 86, and it is sad, but also I wanted to pay tribute to this man because apart from being an actor and a wonderful martial artist, he is a man I actually followed for quite some time now, especially on Facebook, because I always saw him as a source of inspiration, right? Because even at his old age, he was still going to the gym, he was still working out, he was even hiking, and best of all, he seemed like a very genuine, nice person, okay, like a really nice man. And he also bought into the memes. Like if you go on YouTube, you'll see several videos of Chuck Norris reading out his own memes and acting the part, and I just think it's a very, very beautiful thing to watch, So today's very special video, I just wanted to pay my respects to this icon, to this legend, in the only way that I know how to, which is of course to share some memes and jokes about Chuck Norris, but from a cybersecurity and AI perspective. So I really hope you will enjoy these jokes that I've compiled. Let's get to it. All right, so the very first one here is when ransomware tried to encrypt Chuck Norris's files, it paid him ransom instead. Obviously, you know about ransomware. It's the tactic hackers use to hijack and encrypt files of the victims, and then they will demand some sort of a ransom in exchange for the decryption key. So when ransomware tried encrypting Chuck Norris's files, it paid Chuck Norris the ransom instead. When a zero-day vulnerability was discovered, Chuck Norris had already patched it yesterday. Obviously, you know about zero-day vulnerabilities. These are vulnerabilities that have not yet been discovered. But guess what? When they were eventually discovered, Chuck Norris had actually discovered them a day before. Chuck Norris doesn't need a firewall. The internet blocks itself from him, obviously, because it is Chuck Norris, damn it. When a phishing email reached Chuck Norris, it marked itself as spam and deleted itself. All right, when a DDoS attack targeted Chuck Norris' servers, the traffic redirected itself back to the attackers. Wow, look at that, okay? Who wouldn't want to have Chuck Norris' servers in their company? All right, and now for some AI memes. Deepfake AI tried to impersonate Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris verified the AI instead. When Chuck Norris goes online, it is ChatGPT who asks him questions. I actually got this one from the internet. It's one of the more popular ones. And then Chuck Norris can prompt ChatGPT using sign language. Yes, Chuck Norris doesn't need to use a keyboard. He doesn't need to type in anything. He just does this, and ChatGPT understands what he's saying. And the last one here, it's only 10 memes. Chuck Norris doesn't fine-tune models. Models fine-tune themselves to survive him. And yeah, of course, there's countless more examples of this, but I didn't want the video to go on too long, so I thought I'll just share 10. 6 from cybersecurity, 4 from AI. And again, just a celebration of a truly iconic man. And it is sad to see again that we are losing our heroes. Again, I don't know about you, but I grew up watching Chuck Norris, Jackie Chan, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Sylvester Stallone, Dolph Lundgren. These were my heroes growing up as a kid. And, of course, they're all getting old themselves. And it is what it is. It is life. We are all getting older by the day. So, yeah, just a very special video, a very special tribute to one of the very few celebrities that I have really high amounts of respect for. So Let me know your favorite Chuck Norris memes and jokes down in the comments section below. Obviously, it's always a good time reading some Chuck Norris memes and jokes. But that's it for the video. If you're new here to the channel, welcome to Lab Cyber. My name is Alex. I create videos around cybersecurity and AI. So if you do enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So stay safe out there, and long live the Chuck Norris meme. I'll see you next time. Cheers.